Good morning to all. Today we are going to discuss about the chapter distribution of oceans and continents. In case of distribution of oceans and continents, we can see how present time, what are the present arrangement of oceans and continents. So this is the present arrangement of oceans and continents. There are 7 continents and 5 oceans in the present time, and this is the arrangement. Here we can see this is the Atlantic Ocean. This side here is the Pacific Ocean. This side Pacific Ocean. So this here Southern Ocean. Here Arctic Ocean. Here is the Indian Ocean. So, in present arrangement of oceans and continents, there are 7 continents and 5 oceans. And all these 7 continents covers up about 29% of the Earth's surface. This cover up about 29% of the Earth's surface. But in case of oceans, they cover up about 71% of the Earth's surface. So this is the present arrangement of oceans and continents. These present arrangement of oceans and continents were not throughout their geological history. So here we can see in case of so what were their positions in the past if oceans and continent with present position of ocean and continents were not in the past, then what were their positions in the past and what conditions make their present positions and how it happened. So here we will know about this. So first time, if we will see the coastline of some continents, if you will see the coastline of some continent like in Africa, so you will see this is the coastline of Africa. And then here we can see this is the coastline of North America. This is the coastline of Europe. So after seeing the symmetry of the coastline of these continents, it is this here. So after seeing the symmetry of all these continents, some scientists started to discuss that once all these continents were joined together. So from the from the non-record of history of science, a Dutch map maker, that is the Abraham Ortelius. He was a Dutch map maker, Abraham Ortelius, and he first time proposed such possibility. Which possibility means North America, North America, South America, Africa, and Europe. These 3 continents were joined together. So first time in 1596, Abraham Ortelius he proposed such similarity, means 3 continents, Americas, Africa, and Europe. They were joined together in their geological past. In the past, they were joined together. After that, there was another person that was the Antonio Pellegrini. He drew a map, and in that map, he had shown all the 3 continents together. Which were 3 continents? Americas, Africa, and Europe. He had shown all these continents. He had shown all these 3 continents together. So means this first time. So first time in 1596, Abraham Ortelius he proposed such similarity. After that, some other progress has been made in this one. So see here, these discussions were going on among the different scientists, among the different philosophers, that present positions of continents were not in the past. So this after that, next person came and he has given his theory. That was the this Alfred Wegener. Alfred Wegener he has given his own theory about the present arrangement of continent and oceans. We can see here at different time he has presented different positions of oceans and continents at different time. Like in case of this Permian, about 250 million years ago. This was the arrangement of oceans and continents. After that, he has given 150 million years ago. This was the ocean conditions, positions of oceans and continents. And this is the now present time. He has presented this one. So we can see that at different times, oceans and continents, they were at different positions. Even their shape and sizes that also increases and decreases. In case of, so according to him, what means what he has given, what type of theory he has given about the arrangement of oceans and continents. So according to him, and he has presented his theory in 1912. According to him, there was about 250 million years ago, there was a one single landmass. There was a one continent. So all the continents form a single landmass. According to him, about 250 million years ago, all the continents form a single landmass. And that landmass was called Pangea. According to him, that was called Pangea. And that continent, this single continent, single continental mass was surrounded by the water body. So means there was one single continental mass and one water bodies. Single continental mass was surrounded by the ocean. There was a mega ocean. So single continent he named Pangaea, and that one water body he named Panthalassa. So according to Wegener, there was only one continent and one ocean. This all over the Earth about 250 million years ago. After that, these continents is started to drift. Means these continents is started to move in different direction. Due to the movement of these continents, due to these continents is started to break and moved this is apart from each other, and that resulted present position of continent oceans. First continent is so he has given this his theory. He told that about 250 million years ago, that supercontinent broke started to break apart. So first it was broken into two continental masses. And which were the two continental masses? That was the Laurasia and Gondwana land. So according to him, single continental mass broke into two continental masses. That was the Laurasia and Gondwana land. Laurasia and so in present time, if we talk about the present continent and ocean, which were the part of Laurasia and which were the part of Gondwana land. So see which were the part of Laurasia and which were the part of Gondwana land. So here Laurasia form northern part and Gondwana land form southern part. So if you will see map of world, we can find out here this map of world. Here these places like North America, this Eurasia, Greenland, they were part of Laurasia. That was the northern part of this. Next, in case of Gondwana land, South America, Africa, India, Australia, Antarctica, these present continent were the part of Gondwana land. So, according to him, about 250 million years ago, supercontinent began to split. First, it was broken into two continental mass, Laurasia and Gondwana land. Laurasia formed northern part, while Gondwana land formed southern part. So here, after that, this Laurasia and Gondwana land, they further broke into smaller part. Means uh, Gondwana and Laurasia, both continent further broken into small continents, and all that continents exist today. Here, in case of whatever he told, whatever argument he has presented, regarding continental drift. So he has given some proof. So without proof, no one is going to believe that whatever he suggested, whatever argument he has presented, that is the correct. So he has given some proof. Which proof he has given? First, he has given matching of the continents. Matching of the continents. If you will see these continents here, this is South America. If you will see matching of continent, this is South America. So you will see this one, coastline of South America, and then coastline of this Africa. So it seems that this portion of Africa, and this it seems that this portion of South America can be fitted in this portion. It seems that it can be fitted in this portion. So this matching of continent, it looks like these places. This it looks like these continents once joined together. So this matching of continent. There is a similarity. There is a similarity in their coastline. On the hand, this up that one map was presented, and with the help of that map, this it was quite fit. This on the hand, next evidence he has present. So this is the jigsaw fit, means all continents they brought this according to jigsaw fit. It seems that South America can be fitted with the Africa continent by looking the symmetry of their coastline. Next, another this other evidence he has presented. So first evidence he has presented jigsaw fit, matching of the continents. Next, next evidence he has presented rocks of same age across the ocean. What this means? It means that this it means that here whichever rocks are found here, rocks of this coastline, and this coastline belongs to same age, and even in present time they are far apart from each other. So this in case of this to matching up continent, this matching up coastline, and then here we can see these rocks of same age across the ocean. So whatever age of rock is in this area, same rock is in this area. This if you will see how much old these rocks are. So here we can see for here. So we can see the belt of ancient rock of 2000 million years from Brazil coast matches with those from Western Africa. So this is the means rocks of this area. Rocks of this area means Brazilian coast. Here is the Brazil. Rocks of Brazilian coast is about 2000 million years old, and this rock is matches with this rock. So in present time they are far apart from each other. So rocks of both continents can be same only in one condition, when they were joined together in past geological history of the earth. Then only it can be possible. So it shows that these continents were joined together in their geological past. Next, after that, whatever fossils are found, that fossils are also this one proof. Next evidence, if you will see, this next evidence, the earlier marine deposits along the coastline of South America and Africa are of Jurassic age. Means, so first thing, rocks of both the continent that belongs to the same year, as well as marine deposits that is also belong to the same age. So this proves that both the continents were joined together in the geological past history of the Earth. Next, after that, you will see about the placer deposits here, thelite. Here in case of we will see it is a sedimentary rock. Tillite, this is the sedimentary rock, and this is formed by the deposits of sediment by the glacier. So whatever sediment is deposited by the glacier, that is known as tillite. And this is found in this is found in 6 different land masses. In present time, they are found in 6 different land masses. So thick deposits of sediment that is called tillite is found in 6 different land masses uh, of southern hemisphere. In so it can have means it shows all that land masses suffered from long glaciation, prolonged glaciation. This shows that all that 6 land masses suffered from prolonged glaciation. So, and during the glaciation, Earth surface is covered by the glaciers, and when that glaciers move in different direction, they bring they carry and transport eroded material, and after melting of glacier, that is deposited wherever it melts, it is deposited. So here we can see it can happen when all continents were joined together. Present climatic condition of all that 6 different land masses is totally different. It shows that all that 6 land masses of southern hemisphere, they were joined together. Yeah, they were part of each other in past. And when glaciation happened, all suffered with the same glaciation. And then thick deposits of sediment was deposited. Next, after that, this here we can see where it is found, means where this tillite is found. So here it is found in all these different places. For example, Madagascar, Antarctica, Australia, this Africa, Falkland Islands. So in present time, this sediment, yeah, in case of tillite, that is found in all these different land masses of southern hemisphere. That is the Africa, Falkland Island, Madagascar, Antarctica, and Australia. Another hand, this can happen when all continents were joined together in their geological past. After that, you will see placer deposits. So in case of placer deposits, there is a rich deposits of there is a placer deposits. In case of placer deposits, we can see this is the Brazilian coast. It is a Brazilian highland. It is a Brazilian highlands. And here we can see it is a Ghana coast this side. So here we can see this there is a deposits of gold. Here in case of Ghana coast, there is a deposits of gold veins, but there is a absence of source rock. Means here there is a absence of source rock, but there is a deposits of gold veins. Source rock that is in Brazil, Brazilian highland. So it is quite surprising to us that in along the Ghana coast there is a rich deposits of this gold veins, but there is a complete absence of source rock. So it shows that gold veins of Ghana coast came from the Brazilian highland when they were joined together. So once they were when they were joined together, this that is separated, and due to the separation, gold veins of gold veins, yeah, gold deposits remains in the Ghana coast. Even there is a complete absence of source rock. So it can happen when both the continent lay side by side. Then only it can happen. Thank you.